Good afternoon, guys. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl She Grace here again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, kindly subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, do that thing. Remember to comment, like, and share. Those are my cousins behind there, guys. We are going to look for lunch and some fruits. Come with me as we go looking for fruits and lunch. Yes, enjoy the video. Guys, these are bananas. This is a plantation of bananas. It's around 3 acres full of just bananas. Both cooking bananas and the ones that are not being cooked. Yes. Let's go now look for fruits. Where are you guys? I can't see where I'm going.
We are here.
Oh. These things are really cutting. Now I feel itchy. It is the mango season, guys, and we are here to get some mangoes. Guys, I'm trying to climb here and get some fruits.
Some mangoes.
Some mangoes. I don't know if I'll be able.
Na hazijaiva ni mbichi bado.
They are not ripe. Those ones are the sweet ones.
You just eat them with salt.
I think they are enough. Look at these ones. There. You want?
Yeah. Guys, ameshindwa kushuka.
Jana, hebu rekodi hiyo.
Ameshindwa kushuka. Just jump. Jump.
It's far.
It's not far, just jump. Look at this one, guys.
Jump. Ay. Sorry. Okay, it's enough. Take one of it. We were here for the mangoes. Okay, you want to try? Yum. You want to try this one? Yum. Try, yum. Huh? Okay. And this one. Let's go. Come closer. Guys, these are the moringa seeds that I was talking about, and this is the moringa tree. Very healthy, especially for people with diabetes and people who want to lose weight. People want to become like her. Slim. Yeah. This is the moringa. You can cook it as vegetable and you can take it like medicine. You first dry it, then you grind it as powder, then you drink it like tea.
In hot water.
In hot water, yes. Let's get the seeds. So can you climb? I want to get some seeds. There's some that were falling down. You see, like this one. You get me some leaves and some seeds. Be careful. I think it's yes. Not it's okay, it's okay. Those are enough. Just short. And leaves. Just cut a branch. Not a big one, small branches. Okay, throw them. This is what we are getting. Look at that. This is enough. Let's go. Let's go for lunch. Okay, calm down. That's enough. Let's go. Puppy, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Your head. This is what I'm getting for lunch, guys. We call this arot, nduma in our language. Bigwe. Call this bigwe. Call them bigwe. This is what I was looking for. These are the arots. See how they look like. This is the dry type. They are those that grow where there is a lot of water. But these ones, they don't need a lot of water. They grow on somewhere there is no lot of water. Somewhere dry. Cut.
Jojo, usikia harufu ya dagaa.
This is grandmother. She's making omena. How do we fish? Small fish. You call them small fish.
Dagaa.
No, in English.
Small fish.
Yes, she's making small fish. Jojo. Jojo. Jojo wants the omena. Poppy.
Zimeiva.
Assist me with water. the arots. Nani?
Nimeambiwa na Mama Chris.
Bring a plate.
Yes. Only plate.
Yes, cut it. These are the arrowroots, guys, that I got from the farm. As you can see, the way they look kind of dry, but when you cut inside, it's not that dry inside, you see. And they are really sweet. They have kind of sugary taste in them that makes them sweet. These are so nice for breakfast, but you're having them for lunch. Okay. Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching the video. And if you are new here, kindly subscribe, hit that like button, comment and share. Let me know down below, comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Thank you for watching. Mwah! Love you all. Goodbye. See you.